Hi everyone, welcome to your handwriting lesson today. It's another one that's short and sweet, and we will be practicing our Spanish as we do our handwriting today. So as you can see, this is similar to our last lesson. You have a question in English, it translated into Spanish, and 3 answers in English then translated into Spanish, and 3 arrows underneath each of these where I would like you to write out the Spanish version of these. And every time you write out the Spanish, if you could practice saying it, because that is repetition might be a little bit boring sometimes, but it is a really good way to learn things. So our first sentence, do you like running, is in Spanish is, let's listen on Google Translate how they say it.
¿Te gusta correr?
¿Te gusta correr? Okay, so you can see here our word correr is very different to how we'd probably say it in English, because remember when we did our phonics, different letters in Spanish sound different. Okay, so each time we write it down, we're going to say it out loud to ourselves.
¿Te gusta correr?
¿Te gusta correr? ¿Te gusta correr? ¿Te gusta correr? Okay, so that's 3 times you need to write it out in Spanish. If you need a bit of time to do that, that's totally fine. Pause the video while you catch up. Right, now we're going to go on to our first answer. So our first answer is, yes, I like running. And how we say this in Spanish is...
Sí me gusta correr.
Sí me gusta correr. Okay, and we're going to write that 3 times. Sí me gusta correr. Sí me gusta correr. Sí me gusta correr. Okay, if you need a little bit extra time to write those down in your best cursive writing, so that means that your lowercase letters are always starting with your pen or pencil on the line to get that lovely flicky lead in, which does help us when we're joining our words to write faster, and that's why we teach you to do it this way. Okay, and our next sentence, our next answer is, no, I don't like running. So let's listen to how we'd say that.
No, no me gusta correr.
No, no me gusta correr. Okay, and I'm going to say it 3 times for you so you can write it down, and you can say it to yourself as you do it. No, no me gusta correr. No, no me gusta correr. And between our 2 no's that start off, we need to put a comma in between them. No, no me gusta correr. Okay, and again, if you need a bit more time to make sure your writing is beautiful, cursive, and that you're practicing saying those out loud, you can pause the video now. Right, now we are on to our final answer to do you like running, which is, I'm not sure if I like running. And that's totally fine. As I've said in our previous videos, you don't need to have a definite opinion on things. Sometimes you might not have done it often enough to know whether you enjoy it, or maybe sometimes you enjoy it and sometimes you don't. So that's totally fine. So I'm not sure if I like running.
No estoy segura si me gusta correr.
So this is the most complicated answer, it's the most words, but that doesn't mean we can't master it. I'm sure we can. Let's listen one more time.
No estoy segura si me gusta correr.
No estoy segura si me gusta correr. Okay? So you could break it down so you're doing each word at a time. No estoy segura si me gusta correr. Okay, I'll say it 1 word at a time as we do it for the last time. No estoy segura si me gusta correr. Okay, if you need more time to do that, you can pause the video, but we're about to finish our video. And if you need to listen to it again, that's totally fine. You can copy this out on paper, or you can use this sheet here, which I'll provide for you up on your assignment to help you. I hope you're enjoying learning Spanish and making sure that we understand how to say if we like or dislike or not sure about different Spanish sports.